guys, it's Christina for Me Define Creative, and I am here to share with you my massive, amazing box of Ink Road stamps. And so this is my very first design team box from Ink Road. And so I'm going to show you very quickly everything that I get to play with. So I'm super, super excited. And I just want to mention I'm also going to be playing with some of my older favorites. So things like the alphabet that has the outline and the filled inside, and the amazing full circle stamp, which will be back in stock in the store very, 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 very soon. So without further ado, let me clean these up here. Look how many there are, you guys. I'm so excited. All right, so these are the 6x8 stamp set size. So these are ones that you can look forward to seeing over the next few months here on my channel and in my projects. This one is all of the creative words. So things like creative freedom, create in love, art is life, I am creative, go make a mess, bless this beautiful messy soul. Oh, there we go. Now you guys can see. Right on. We've got pens and paintbrushes and scissors and little teeny tiny super cute icons. A wreath. Oh my gosh, this is going to be super, super fun to play with. So if you are someone who has lots of creative adventures, or you go on retreats and those types of things, this is going to be a really, really great set for you to use to kind of document all of that kind of stuff. So super, super cute. And this is in the 6x8 size. All right, this one is also in the 6x8 size. And so tons and tons and tons of phrases specifically on this one, as well as this amazing, super cute waffle. So I hate talking to people about things, treat yourself. We've got the little notebook. One person's annoying is another person's inspiring and heroic. You guys know what show this is from. Friends, waffles, work. I am big enough to admit I am often inspired by myself. I love that one. I love you and I like you. Super, 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 super cute. This one right here, give me all the bacon and eggs that you have. This is Ty right now. Oh my gosh. All about bacon and eggs all the time. Super, super cute, super cute. Leave in the comments below if you know which show this is from. I'm super excited. All right, this one is a special collaboration, and this is between the Ink Road and Kindred stamps. And so we have 4 of the people. And then we also have a ton of the phrases on this one. So you're looking at the master of leaving parties early. I'm not superstitious. I am a little stitious. I'm a running away from my responsibilities and it feels good. I want people to be afraid of how much they love me. When I discovered YouTube, I didn't work for 5 days. That sounds like some of you guys. You know who you are. And so these are from, you guessed it, these are from The Office. And you're going to love them. And this is, again, the Ink Road and Kindred stamps collaborating together. Super, super, super cute. I can't wait to play with this stuff. All right, we also have the fruit set. And so this one has a lot of great phrases, and then it also has all of these kind of oversized pieces of fruit. I definitely have plans for this one as a background. And then we've got words like, aren't you cute, summer, you are perfect, sweet, you've got a peach of my heart, super cute. Oh my gosh, I love this one. There are so many collections out right now that these are going to coordinate perfectly with. Perfectly. I love them. All right, next we are on to the 4x6 size, and so I have quite a stack of these, so we're going to go kind of quick, and my absolute favorite one is in here. This one is a coffee themed set, and so a cup of get shit done. Look at that. Death before decaf, some coffee cups, all kinds of coffee phrases. I own you mug life, and all these little ones are so cute because they'll fit inside this and inside this coffee mug. So those are going to be super cute. And check out Heather from Heather's Crafty Life because she has some super cute pattern paper that she created with this particular stamp set. I think it was the stamp set. All right, this one is also 4x6, and this is a bunch of patterns. So we have some kind of wonky polka dots. We have some little waves, the imperfect stripes, And then kind of this like, it's almost like black and white dashes. So those are also going to be super, super fun for kind of layering and creating some photo mats. This one is also one of my favorites. This is the set that goes with Friends. So we've got that kind of iconic couch. We've got I'll be there for you. That's not even a word. Pivot, pivot, pivot. I'm not great at advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? We have our little cup of coffee, the guitar, some smelly cat. Super cute. I love Friends. Do you guys love Friends? I love Friends. All right, this one is the Crazy Cat Lady set. So all kinds of kind of Crazy Cat Lady phrases. We've got some paw prints and a little cat. You've cat to be kitten me, cat hair don't care, eat, sleep, repeat. That one would work for anybody, for anything. All you need is love and a cat. Catitude. That'll be really cute too. All right, this one is Princess Bride, which is also super exciting. So as you wish, we've got the little icons up here. This is true love. You think this happens every day. Have fun storming the castle. This would work great for some of my kids' video game stuff. We got a castle down here. Death cannot stop true love. All it can do is delay it for a while. So these are going to be really fun to play with too. And then one of my absolute favorites, the one stamp set that my boys were super, super excited to see come out of this box is the Minecraft one. So we've got Minecraft, we've got kind of all the weapons and tools, the boxes. We've got some great grids, eat, sleep, mine, repeat, creeper's gonna creep, build the life you want, keep calm and mine on. Definitely my boys approved of this one. I love it, super cute. All right, last but not least are the smaller sets. These are the 3x4 size. So this one, I'm excited to play with this heart, and then things like your totes adorbs. When I get 2 texts at the same time, I always check yours first. The internet knows I like you, and some little speech bubbles. Then we've got the badass mom with the messy bun getting stuff done, and some great little patterns that we can definitely use in all of our scrapbooking and Traveler's Notebook projects. And then last but not least, I got this one that is Chin Up Buttercup that has these really cute, super usable flowers and, of course, some hexagons. So this one will definitely be showing up in a project very soon. And so those are all of my new Ink Road stamp sets. I am super, super excited to start playing. And then I'm also going to go ahead and bring out some of my old favorites that have been in the shop for a while, but they are just really, really great stamps. And so make sure you stop by. There's a link down below to check out the Ink Road. You can also use the code Khristina10 for a discount in the shop. And make sure you tag me if you are creating with some of these stamps, because I would love to see what you are making too. And I'll see you soon.